I'm gonna tell you why. First of all, we all love blenders. We all love the convenience of taking all the fresh ingredients we need and having the machine do all the work for us to make a delicious smoothie, maybe a delicious soup, maybe a delicious salsa, guacamole, whatever. Magic Bullet has you covered. And look at these awesome options they give you for blending and for drinking and for storage. You know, it's not just your basic blender where you put everything in, then you gotta transfer it to the glass you want, right, or the cup you want. No. You can actually blend in whatever size cup you want. So you want something that's a little bit bigger, maybe going to the gym, something like that. You take your blade, you screw it in, and then you stick it in your blender, and you're good to go. Awesome. And by the way, when you're blending, you can either turn this the whole way and it'll lock, and then it goes automatically, just like that. This is automatic, right? This is me just locking it, and now it's going. Great. But if you want to do maybe something chunkier, like again, maybe making some guac, some salsa, you can just lightly, just soft to the touch, right? And you can really customize how you use it and what you're blending and what your final result is. And one of my favorite features of this whole set is the nice sippy cup you get here. And by the way, speaking of sippy cup, you also get this great lid, you know, really good for going to the gym, obviously, for coffee drinks even, stuff like that. So awesome customizable set. But look at this. Look at this nice handle. Maybe you want to make some, maybe like a lemonade or something like that, right? Fresh lemonade. You can go ahead and blend it up in your Magic Bullet. You can imagine you put some lemon, some sugar, some water, some ice, whatever. You get it in there. You let it go. It's going to go automatically. Oh, now you're done. Take it out, pat it down. Imagine there's like delicious, beautiful liquid coming out of here. And then you go ahead and unscrew this, right? Dishwasher safe, easy. And then now you're good to go. Delicious. So this is an amazing set. It's really going to up your blending game, really give you a lot of creative options in your kitchen and for your diet, which I think is great. And it's easy to use and very safe. So can't recommend it enough. Magic Bullet, you should definitely check it out.